this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to set alerts on Tradingview. So the first thing you need to do is just go to the top right corner and locate this alarm icon or the alert icon, and then click on it. After you click on it, click on create alert. So assuming I'm thinking the price is going to retest back here before I went for the sell, then take my profits probably around here. So I'm going to set the alarm at when the price hits 1.3, that is on GBP USD pair. Then when the price hits 1.35181, the Tradingview should alert me. So I'll just select go back here and then select the number enter the number 1.35176, 1.35176. Then you are going to select crossing, which is the better, I think is the best option. Immediately the price cross 1.35176, the Tradingview should alert us. If you want the alert to be sent to you only once or every time, I will choose the only once option. Then after I choose the only once, then you now click on create. Then the price will automatically, as you can see, after I up on it, as you can see, you can even adjust it. So I'm gonna leave it here. But yeah, and that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.